Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September. Okay, and we will see what are the tarot messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So what is there for my Virgos for the week from September 14th till September 20th? Let's see, please, cards. I don't know why they are just flowing. Okay, unlike Virgos, they don't flow. Okay, so 3 shuffles, please. Okay, one more, okay. So let's see what is the present scenario. The Lovers. Okay, so I guess the Cancer also got the Lovers as the first card. Okay, so the general atmosphere around you is the Lovers. What is the obstacle? The Empress. Oh my god, same cards. Really? Seriously? This was the same card after the Lovers. I'm afraid that this reading might be same as well. So this is a change because this is the same thing which actually is now also coming up. It's the change, you know, when we resist some kind of change. More than change, when we resist a growth and a good growth. You know, a self-development growth where you are resisting the growth for yourself. When a person is coming towards you with a stable offer and you are resisting that change, you are not accepting that offer. When you are trying to be selfish, because not being selfish, sorry, you are being the stupid one actually, you know, because the same reading is actually, you know, I don't know why it's coming up the same 2 cards as the first cards. I shuffled them seriously, and you are really resisting some kind of a change. You are resisting some kind of a decision. You have to take a decision regarding love, regarding something which you actually feel about it from the heart, and that is really good feeling, but still you are saying no to it. Your reasons, I hear it. You have some reasons for that. What is the foundation? 6 of Swords. So 6 of Swords over here, the foundation of the situation which you don't want to look at. You don't want to go towards calmer waters, I see. See, this is someone who really wants something stable with you, something calm with you, you know, but you are resisting this. The foundation is that you are happy being in the 5 of Swords. You are happy being in the conflict zone, being with the with fighting, you know, being the place where you fight with people. There are trust issues, manipulations, deception, betrayals. You're happy to be there, and when a beautiful offer is coming towards you, you're resisting that thing. You're not accepting the person, you are not accepting that situation, because I don't know why. It's your reason for that thing. Past situation with the 9 of Wands over here. This is the past. This is something which you have already blocked. You might have blocked this person in your past as well. This is a kind of security. This is someone who is actually, you know, you're afraid. I'm seeing you are afraid. There's a kind of fear in you, because that is why you have put all the guards up in front of you. It's like, you know, I'm very secure being in this kind of a jail, and I'm really secure being in this small home of mine. I'm not ready to move on. This growth, no, it's not my cup of tea. I cannot see myself growing in a very good direction. You're resisting a growth. Yes, yes, Virgos, you're resisting it. You are saying no to a beautiful offer coming towards you. There might be some kind of pregnancy issues with someone over here. Okay. So what's in your mind which you are aware of? Your goals, your aims. Your goals are very high. Your goals are, I really want to achieve my passion. I really want to achieve this in my life. You have a lot of dreams, but how will you pursue if you will just block everyone around you? You will not let anyone come into your territory. How will you achieve those goals, those those aims, those ambitions in your life which you really want? How will you do that? Because you have a lot, I see. Let's see your future energies. Two of Cups. So no matter how much you resist this person, no matter how much you resist this change, this is going to come towards you, because this is the soulmate energy. This is someone you are connected with. If this is a person you are really connected with, soul to soul, this is a really soulmate connection. How you see yourself? You see yourself as the King of Swords. You see yourself as the person who always says no towards anything. You have actually, the heart is shut, I would say. Yes, you have shut your heart. You have no emotions left. You have shut the emotions. So being a Virgo and you have shut all your emotions, it's really not Virgo kind of an energy. So this is how you have made yourself, because might be because of some kind of a bad past in your life, some kind of trust issues in your life. So you have made yourself like this. You're more of a practical person now. Emotions are no more there. How people see you? People see you as the tower. People see you as the destruction person, who is destructed, who is like, people see you as a big change. People see you that you were not like this before. They really tell you that you were not like this. What have you made yourself? You were a loving person. You really used to love people. You used to care people. And Virgos are like that only. They are the best host in all of the 12 zodiacs. Out of all zodiacs, the best host award goes to Virgo. They are the best hosts. They are the best caretakers, and because they know how to do that, because they do it from their hearts. And by shutting your heart, people are really complaining now. It's like, why have you changed this much? What has happened? So because of the past, you have changed a lot. You have changed the feelings. You have finished your feelings. Everything is off. See, the fear of a new beginning. There is a fear of your, this is something, some kind of anxiety, some kind of a fear which you are not able to deal with. You are not letting love come your way now. Love, even by the word of love, you are like, I'm running away from this thing. I cannot accept it. But Two of Cups is here, so mind you cannot run really far. Okay, so outcome is the Hanged Man. So this is the outcome. This is something, this is the result of the path which you have taken. See, because of this future card, Two of Cups, and because of this fear of not loving anyone. See, this card is also telling me that there is some kind of secret which you are not telling to anyone. See, you still manifest some kind of love in your life. You still have that feeling, but you are not telling that to anyone. This is just between you and me. Okay, so that this feeling is somewhere, but you are being the King of Swords in front of people. People are seeing that your heart is off. You are now very strong and you are like this. People think that but deep down you still have that heart, that soft corner which is actually needed. And that is why your this energy is coming to a change, I'm seeing. So with the Hanged Man, you are going to take some time off. You are going to think about this, if this is a person or if this is a situation. You are going to think about it. You are going to think about it in a different way, your different perspective. This is going to be, but yes, you are going to give a chance. I'm seeing that things really need to work out, and you are ready. Somewhere you are, from outside you are showing people that you are not ready, but deep down there it's a yes from your side. Okay, let's see why the Knight of Wands is here in the ambition or aim of Virgos. Why the Knight of Wands is here? Why the Knight of Wands is here? Knight of Swords. Okay, so with the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords as your goals, I would say this is the purpose of your life. So you are really, your purpose is mainly about your, I'm seeing that this might be your career, or this is basically you really want to fight a battle, and you want to fight a battle by your own, a battle which is more about your creativity, more about your inner strength, a battle which you have to face, a battle which you have to fight, some kind of a place, some kind of a situation which you want to face, and you are ready. That is why you are becoming strong, and this becoming strong is really good for you. When you become strong, the perspective is changed in your life. You don't have to deal everything with emotions. Sometimes you have to deal some things with a practical mindset, and that is what is this is. You are really looking towards the things in a practical way as well now. So that's all, Virgos. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.